Today, I'm in Krakow, Poland, and I'm walking through the old city right now. And let me tell you, it feels like I'm in a time warp. Like I went back to some other world. Like it really does. Like this is just really, really like you go to some places and everything's sparkling clean. Like this is just like something out of a movie. Just it's cloudy, it's dingy today. The buildings are a little worn, and it's just a really kind of cool, chilling environment. Show you around a little.
Train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you. 'Cause you're my...
Apparently it's very touristy here. There's some like vendors and people bothering you for money. Some kid just tried to hit me up for money. I pretended I didn't speak English. Go check that out down there. I went to a bagel place, got a stupid bagel at a restaurant, and it sucked. I should have got one of these. Look at these, look so good. I messed up. They said they get their bagels from a bakery, and they were shit. Maybe I should have got it here. Look, oh, punchkis. Real punchkis in Poland. Wow. I think I blew it by. Getting those giant punchkis were like $1.65. Prices are pretty reasonable here. I mean, the bagel with smoked salmon I had was only like $6 something. Shit, it cost me about $18 in New York, but probably still more worth it because it was so good there. Oh, this looks like the pierogi place. I may have to, after I walk around, I'm gonna have to come back and get some pierogies. Potatoes with bacon bits and onion. Oh yeah. Wow, pretty amazing. Crazy. There's some areas over by where I'm staying that looks like one's a parking lot, but you can see some like half wall and different things. You can tell it used to be a building there at one point. I'm sure it was a victim of the bombing. Look at this. Picture time.
Złączył się z narodem, masz Dąbrowski, ziemi łaski do Polski, za twoim przewodem, złączył się z narodem.
Niech żyje Polska!
Niech żyje Polska!
So just like the other guy, I was asking for money anymore. This is a group of Ukrainians singing here, trying to get donations. I feel like a dick because I just been using plastic. I don't have money. I don't have any money. I'm not getting any money here in Poland. When I go to Serbia tomorrow, I'll be there for a week, so I'll get some money there. I think this is a market or something in here. Let's see. Oh no, this you just walk through to the other side. I don't know. Let's see. go to the other side, but I still want to explore the square some more. Yeah, it's a little market. Trinkets. All right, I gotta say that this old part of Krakow has more churches, literally, than any place I've been. Just church on top of church on top of church. It's just amazing old churches. So I climbed up to the top of this hill to check out this palace, and I'm in like a big courtyard area. There's museums and different things to see in here too, but most of the good things are sold out already, the staterooms. So I'll just walk around and look at this. Now I'm in the old Jewish ghetto, where the Nazis housed all the Jews when they threw them out of their houses in Krakow. So this is the original ghetto wall. So all that's left of it is this little piece right here. This was it, the Jewish ghetto, World War II, right before they got shipped off to Auschwitz. All right, I had to get my Polish feast here in Krakow, starting off with stuffed cabbage. See how it tastes. I've been dying for some real Polish food. I screwed up and had a bagel today, and it was terrible. Oh my God. Rice, meat, amazing sauce. That's the real deal stuffed cabbage. For my main course, got a pork chop. It was recommended to me. Well, there's my pork chop. Some cabbage. Mashed potatoes, looks excellent. Pretty much in heaven right now. Let's rip right into this pork chop. I wonder if they're gonna think I'm weird if I ask for some gravy. That cabbage is to die for. I'm gonna ask for their mushroom sauce. Hope he doesn't think I'm a dick. So this kraut or cabbage or whatever you would call it has like bacon in it. It is so good. A little pickly with carrots and bacon in it. Wow. Gotta be the best sauerkraut I've ever had in my life. I mean, I've never had it cooked quite like this before. So much flavor.